friends, welcome to today's video. We are going to talk about the elfxxjenatkin palette. You've probably seen Jenatkin on Keeping Up with the Kardashians, or you've seen her. Chrissyteigen uses her. She's a celebrity hairstylist. She collabed with E.L.F. So there is a whole bunch of stuff. The only thing I got was the E.L.F. face palette and some lip duos. The first thing when James walked in here and he was like, "That's a really pretty eyeshadow color on you," and I'm like, "This is concealer, but thanks, I guess." We're going to start with bronzer. So I have a Morphe M530 brush, and we're going to go right into this. This is a little warm for me. Okay, next thing we're going to go into, so we just did bronzer. There is a little bit of fallout, so if you don't like fallout, don't buy this, but not too bad. Next we have the blush. So I'm going to grab this Pure Blush Precision Blush Brush. I just have to say that super slow. Just feel like this doesn't have a lot of pigment. I'm going to post all of the information about this collab below. Then we have a really pretty golden highlight. I'm going to spray it with this Tarte setting spray. There we go, just a little bit. There we go, we got some shine. So I already prepped my eyes, and I will list everything that I used off camera below. So the first shade that we're going to go into is this pretty light one, and I'm just going to kind of do like 2 swoops. E.L.F. is popping off, and so is L'Oreal, and so is Wet n Wild. I don't really care for their stuff they have coming out, but I know a lot of people do. NYX is a good one. So we have one more shade. This is a matte, like, maroonish shade. This black shade is a cream to powder eyeliner. I'm going to take this, and it just goes on really easy. I'm just putting it on my lower lash line. I'm sorry, I really have to do this off camera because I can't focus. If not, I'm going to take my finger with this highlight and just kind of, oh my god, look at that. Now we have these 3 lip duos. So what I really like about these is that I already took them out of the packaging. I'm sorry. I know people like find that aesthetically pleasing when you take them out, because I'm one of those people. Okay, so we have 3 lip duos. What I really like about these is they're nice and thick, and they have the lip liner and the lipstick. So you don't have to go, like in my lipstick compartment, I have like a box. Not like a box, like a basket that I use, and I put all of them in there, and then I put my lip liners on my desk. I'll do a storage update like one day, but I always have to look for them separately. But these are nice because you don't. So we have this is Self-Made Pink. So we have the lip liner. Then we have Ready to Go, which is a red, and then we have Bring It On Brown, which is a round. So I have decided I don't do red often. I have my lip liner. I have to do this off camera as well, I'm sorry. Okay, then we have the lipstick. I like these rather than liquid. I just don't like liquid. I just like these better. That's a great explanation, isn't it? I will say this though, with these are like chapsticks. You know when you get a new chapstick and you gotta like kind of use it a couple times for it to get soft? This is what this is like. I genuinely feel like this is one of the best lip liner lip duos that there is, and they're so easy because sometimes the pencils are so thin, they're hard, but this was so easy. Let's talk about these. Okay, so the bronzer, it's okay. There's better bronzers out there. It's pretty golden for me because I am neutral. I'm neutral / cool. I don't really know which one. But I just think that this is a little bit golden for me. But it did add a nice color to my skin. So when I have a too light of a foundation, or if I add too much concealer, this isn't one that I wouldn't not grab, but it's not one that I would grab first, if that makes sense. And we have the blush. The blush didn't have that much pigment. It had enough just to add a little tiny bit of color. This highlighter is bomb, girl. That's good. I really like that. The shadows, creamy, pigmented. Love it. I kept it super light for today's video just because I wanted to bring out her. So, and this is a really good eyeliner. I will use this in the future just because this is such a handy palette. I will probably take this when I go traveling on vacation, or if I'm going out of town, or if I'm like in a super big rush. The lip trios. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 100% yes. Yes, yes. I love these. Oh, they're so good. They're so creamy. They're so wonderful. For an e.L.F., like I've said before, e.L.F. is popping off right now, and I'm so here for it. Alright, you guys, that is all for today's video. Let me know if you've tried this. I'm really kind of interested. I saw this on TikTok and I was like, ooh, I love jenatkin, so I had to go get it. Jenatkin is very sleek. She's very sophisticated, and I really like her, so that's why I decided to buy this. If you like this video, make sure you give it a great big thumbs up. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time.